Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. This week, isolated thunderstorms are possible daily over the northeastern parts of the country, while it stays hot and dry over the western half of South Africa. And in Cape Town and Durban, breezy conditions are likely this afternoon, but more about that in a moment. The day started off mostly cloudy over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as along the Eastern Escarpment and Gauteng. Over the western half, it was a clear start to the day, except for a fog bank along the Northern Cape coastline. We're expecting breezy conditions today in Cape Town. It will be hot in the city bowl with a high of 34, southeasterlies reaching up to 35 kilometers per hour with mostly sunny conditions. Over the far eastern parts of the country in Durban, slightly cooler with a maximum of 28, no further rain expected, and southwesterlies reach up to 35 kilometers per hour at times. Isolated thunderstorms are likely in and around Gauteng. The storms will initiate over the western parts of northwest before spreading to Gauteng and the western bushveld tonight. It stays partly cloudy over the northeastern parts of South Africa, and despite the onshore circulation along the east coast, it will be warm in KZN today. An offshore circulation results in clear, dry and hot weather over the western and northern Cape. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger today over the far western parts as well as the northern half of the Northern Cape due to very hot and dry conditions. Meanwhile, there's a watch for severe thunderstorms. There's a possibility of large hail and damaging winds over Gauteng and the eastern parts of northwest. Now, taking a look at today's wind forecast for the rest of South Africa, moderate southeasterlies along the southern and southeastern coastline, while it stays light over the western and central parts with a southeasterly breeze of 10 kilometers per hour in Bombela and southwesterlies in the Free State, Bloemfontein with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Hot weather accompanies that, 33 degrees in Bloem today, 40 in Uppington. Vredendal at a maximum of 39. It's hot in Gauteng as well with a high of 31 in Pretoria, but mid to upper 20s in much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, Richards Bay and Graafrenet with highs of 30 degrees. On Tuesday, hot, dry weather persists over the western parts with isolated thunderstorms over the far eastern parts of the Northern Cape in the Free State as well as Gauteng. It becomes warmer in the east on Wednesday with a high of 33 degrees in Pretoria. Isolated thunderstorms remain likely. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful day.